Hey everybody, I'm excited to show you guys the first 0G off of the production tooling. This was made about a week ago and I've been carrying it around in raw form. There's no anodize on this, so it's a little scratched up, but I wanted to try it out and carry it and make sure there's no issues, but it's been working really well. Very pleased. Some of the refinements that we've made have worked out really well. But the main purpose of this video today is to show you the clip disassembly and reassembly procedure. We first started when we made the Kickstarter. We didn't really have the disassembly and reassembly of the clip worked out. Originally it was a ball detent, and it still is a ball detent, but we had the ball detent acting as the keeper to prevent the clip from popping all the way out. And it worked okay, but sometimes it was too light and sometimes it was too much. So you either ended up with a clip that would pop all the way out or a clip that you couldn't get out at all. So just not really good for the end use or for the customer, which we want to make sure this is perfect. So we came up with a little retainer system inside that basically can be unlocked and locked. So I'll show you real quick how to do it. We've got a little tool here that we use that goes in here and interfaces with the keeper system. So basically, when I pull this tool back, it will unlock the keeper. So I pulled that back, and then there's a little ramp here that allows us to use leverage to push the clip out past the detents. So now we have a clip module. So we do plan to sell these as accessories, so you can buy different clip materials and patterns and colors and all of that. But it will come or be sold as a module like this, because there's some permanent or semi-permanent assembly techniques being used for this, like press fit pins. This ball detent somewhat complex internally. Anyway, this is how your clip will will come to you, and it'll be pre-assembled, of course, but when you go to change the colors of the materials, you'll be swapping this module. So what's going on inside of here is we designed a little laser cut piece of steel in here that's spring loaded, that the little tool interfaces with. So when you pull back on that, you're pulling back on those tabs. And those tabs interface with a cutout on we call this the clip carrier. So when you push your clip in, this little ramp pushes the tabs back, but when the tab's under spring pressures, and when your clip pops back out, the tabs pop back in, and they can't go past this lip. So that's why this has an unlocking feature, so you can pull the clip module out. I don't expect everybody to be pulling these out all of the time. It's just more of a customization thing, or if you rarely need maintenance. We haven't had to service one of these clips. I mean, it's just a spring-loaded hinge, really. But we wanted it to be as easy as possible for the customer to do, because people do like to play with their knives, and I'm right there with you. So I'm already thinking about what can we make clips out of: titanium, brass, stainless, different colors, different engraved patterns, so who knows what. So eventually the plan is later this year or early next year, we will sell these upgraded modules, so you can just pop your clip out and put something different in. Because the way this knife is, it's pretty cool. When you have it in your pocket, I mean, the clip is prominent. That's what shows. So people are going to want to customize that, myself included. So reassembly is pretty easy. It's kind of a reverse of what you did. You just kind of push this into position. You sort of get it into a starter position like that. It won't go in anymore because the keeper is preventing that. So you pull back. That lets you get past the keeper. So the clip is reinstalled now. Now we're just removing the tool. So the clip is reinstalled. There you go. Super easy. I think you guys are going to love it. We're very excited to have these being produced right now. I'm going to get some video of that. We kind of have I'll give more detail, but basically we're doing a split system where we run bases and lids fully autonomously in the evenings and nights, and the clip parts and the carriage inside are run on pallet fixtures during the day. So I'll give you some more insight into that in another video. Thank you guys.